In 1953, Anker Gram immigrated to Canada and quickly gained a solid base of engineering experience with Sparling tanks and Dominion Bridge before venturing into leading-edge work liquefying natural gas. He was the first to see the potential of LNG as a clean fuel for vehicles and has been pioneering this innovation and supporting technologies for over 4 decades.
Natural gas is a very clean fuel. It's a vapor. If you cool it down and then you can reduce it in size 600 times, suddenly you can have an awful lot of natural gas in a small container.
Anker, years ago, I mean this is going back several decades, he anticipated the natural gas revolution. And so he began in the very early days to apply it to natural gas fueled vehicles.
In 1971, Anker successfully converted a Chrysler van to a hybrid and drove it around Vancouver for many years to prove that a passenger vehicle could operate on LNG.
We painted a picture on the vehicle with a flower growing out of the exhaust pipe. I had many people stopping me on the street.
In the 80s, Anker extended his innovation by converting a 50-ton truck for a mine in Sparwood, BC, and 18 trucks for the Hudson Bay Company to run on LNG. In the 90s, he proved, contrary to the wisdom of the day, that LNG could be successfully stored in underground tanks without freezing the ground.
I tried to tell them that it can, and sometimes you have to demonstrate it.
More recently, Anker has been instrumental in developing a cryogenic pump, able to compress LNG to the high pressure required for heavy-duty commercial trucking applications.
He's not only a brilliant technical innovator, he's a fine person, and he cares for people. He's still playing a very active role in pushing the frontiers of the field forward.
Anker has been an engaged member of the Canadian Standards Association Z276 Committee for over 40 years, contributing his expertise in developing the codes of practice for safe operation of LNG vehicles and facilities. When not at his place in Mexico, where he swims a kilometer every morning, Anker goes into the office every day of the week. But instead of cycling as he did until recently, he drives his hybrid vehicle.
One of the great joys is working here with the young engineers. They can run circles around me with their theories and things, and I only have my experience to build on, and I love it.
APEGBC is proud to present its Meritorious Achievement Award to Anker Gram.